Hey look, it's the OhSnap Grip 2.0. When a product is updated, it generally means it's better, right? The same could be thought about the price. The higher, the better. Those are assumptions we have when it comes to iPhone accessories. We assumed that the Grip 2.0 would be better than the one, and the premium-priced $70 OhSnap case would perform like a premium accessory. We were wrong about both products and the Snapcharge 2.0 as well.
So what has changed on the 2.0 version? The grip itself is smaller in diameter and thinner. The magnets are closer to the actual MagSafe magnets, and the 2.0 is covered with a soft rubber coating which reduces the amount of sliding your iPhone will do on a flat surface. The elastic portion of the grip has been changed as the 2.0 elastic snaps into the ring, whereas the 1.0 version has the elastic attaching to the ring of magnets. We're pointing this out because both Val and I had the elastic portion actually pop off during our initial test period. Now the elastic used in the 2.0 is thinner than the original, which reduces the feeling of clamping that it has on your finger. But that annoyance really doesn't matter because the elastic will most likely break. The elastic on this red 2.0 grip broke after a week of usage, and on the blue one it broke after about 3 weeks of usage. I'm so glad that these $30 phone grips don't suck. Those are the biggest differences that we've noticed. If you need more details about how the actual OhSnap grip works, do check out the original review because it's exactly the same. Now how does this product compare to all the other phone grips that we've used, like the Pop Grip Wallet, MagSafe Wallet, and the Moft phone stand? It doesn't, because none of the products that we're comparing them to have broken yet. So how about the OhSnap Case? Well, it's a phone case that apparently doesn't suck. It's $69.69, and on paper, looks pretty great. The case is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and has a carbon fiber looking back. It does look like a premium case that's going to cost you almost $70. The first thing I thought about when I got the case was that the bumper reminded me a lot of the Thanotech K11 bumpers that I loved for the iPhone 6s. The aluminum bumper fused with TPU allows for a very slim, aesthetically pleasing looking case. The only other cases that we've used for the iPhone 13s that are MagSafe compatible that use aluminum is the Ghosttech Atomic Slim 4. And spoiler alert, the Atomic Slim 4 is definitely better than this product. Now in the real world, the phone case that doesn't suck actually sucks so much. The case itself is incredibly slick, so I've actually dropped my iPhone 13 Pro Max more in the last few weeks than I have in the first 5 months of using the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now most cases are designed to take a hit, but on this OhSnap case with its aluminum bumper, it shows wear and tear after every single drop. This drop was on rough tile. This drop was on smooth tile. So visually, your non-sucky case is going to visually look, well, sucky. But here's the turd in the haystack. The drops are going to deform the case. After those drops on those corners, my case doesn't fit my iPhone properly. There's a bulge in the TPU on the bottom of this case. Now, I'm a big fan of case swapping. I'll swap out a case based on what I'm going to be doing. So if I'm going out, I'll put on a slimmer case. But for my daily driver, I want something that I can accidentally drop, which is basically anything from my top 10 list. But removing and installing this case is an utter pain. It just, well, sucks. You literally have to pry the case on and off your iPhone. OhSnap includes a mini crowbar to pry the world's suckiest case off your iPhone. I've done this 4 times in the last few weeks, you know, because I'm a reviewer. I haven't bothered with it in the last week because the last prying resulted in me chipping my $100 sapphire screen protector. So yeah, that was great. Now as a side note, the back plate is actually fairly secure, given how you install it. No amount of grip usage actually loosened it, which is a tiny, tiny plus in this gigantic salad of suckiness. The cherry on top of this gong show is that OhSnap doesn't include a magnetic ring for the case, so you have to use the one from your Grip 2.0, which kind of makes sense, but that means you have to install it yourself. You get one chance to make sure everything lines up properly, and on our attempt, we shifted the ring a little too much in one direction, which kind of leads to the question, how forgiving is wireless charging on the iPhone? With the MagSafe charger and with OhSnap's SnapCharge 2.0.
Despite the magnet alignment, we did a quick charge test between the Apple MagSafe charger and the SnapCharge 2.0 on a bare iPhone and with the case on it. We didn't notice a large difference in charge time between the case on and off. The large differences that we did notice was the actual charge times. Both chargers claim to provide 15 watts of wireless charging to the iPhone, but it takes 50% more time for the SnapCharge 2.0 to charge the iPhone. Is the SnapCharge 2.0 50% cheaper? Nope. It's $40, the same price as the Apple MagSafe charger. Now, why is it slower? Well, the Apple product is tuned to a 20-watt charger. The SnapCharge 2.0's max input is 18 watts, so that might be a reason why it's slower. Honestly, the SnapCharge 2.0 looks and feels very nice. It feels like a premium product. Even the finish and build quality of the SnapStand 2.0 is nice, but I'm guessing that's why Aaron's been raging against the product.
So at the end of the day, should you get these products from OhSnap? I mean, there's just so many ways that I can say this. It's no, nada, nope, never, not in a million years, no way Jose, no thanks, and my personal favorite is when Monty is peeing in the studio and I go, no! Like, I spent $60 on these two grips, and do these $60 bring me any joy? No, I'd rather spend $60 on hydrolyzed dog food from Monty, 3 liters of no-name vodka, 1,200 5-cent candies, and 3 DVD copies of my favorite Ryan Reynolds movie, Just Friends. For the OhSnap case, this $70 not monstrosity, or $70, it's $69.69. Like, seriously, OhSnap, like, seriously? Like, what are we all, 12? This product literally feels like every fitness Instagrammer out there, like dudes posting in black and white while they're doing bicep curls with captions about toughness. And these dudes look like they would have a mental breakdown after getting a bad paper cut. Or the chicks whose daily Fitspo progress is measured by how much they can crank their hips and get their body popping. Like,
that would be impressive, actually.
that's what this case feels like. It looks great on paper, but in real life is absolutely useless.
Oh, snap. If you're thinking of getting a grip for your phone, don't get this one. We would recommend you watch our videos on phone grips. We've done the pop socket, pop grip, pop wallet, mag back.
It's taped on.
Are those the buttons?
Yeah.
Anyway, subscribe, like, share this video, comment, support us through Patreon, get your things through our Amazon links.
Oh, snap. Frick.